Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making soy milk. It's a step-by-step process. This is His Kitchen. In case you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this about food recipes, about juices, about anything regards to food. This is the channel, your go-to channel. And the first step we're going to do is we have our clean bowl, as you can see. And then we have our soy, as you can see. Soy, I'm using 250 grams of soy. Yeah, and I'm going to put this into a bowl. You can see. And then I'm going to add water to it. So you're going to soak this soy for overnight. You soak it a day before so that it's soft and it can easily peel off. Yeah, that is our first step in making soy milk 2021. Yeah, so after soaking our soy overnight, our step 2 is that we remove the peels off. So as you can see, just remove the peels off. Yeah, so after us sorting our soya, we want to after removing the coating on top, then you have to remove the back things off. So it's a tedious process, but you just put in water and then this cover lid, the top things come up, you know, and then you sort them out and remain with the clean soya without any coatings on top, the lids, as you can see them. Yeah, so our soy is already sorted. We are removing the coverings on top. Yeah, and right now we're going to transfer it to our blend, as you can see. So I'm using this to measure. So I'm using this. So I put this into the blender, as you can see. This is 1 cup. These are 2 cups. And later also put in 2 cups of water. Then we're going to blend this. Good. And we are going to blend this blender, as you can see. That is it. Yeah, so this is already soy milk after blending. I don't normally show the blending process, but you know, you blend for like 5 minutes because of the noise the blender brings. But this is already soy. Then after this, we are going to sieve this. So we pour this into the sieve and sieve. You see our milk has already formed already. Yeah, so this is already soy milk. As after boiling for on low heat, it's ready, as you can see, and it's ready to serve. Yeah, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Thank you all for the support. I'm so grateful so far. Thank you. Please continue supporting us. And yeah.